Hi friends, I am Mary from Mary Crochet. Okay girls, today we are making this beautiful crochet daisy flower hair tie and it's so pretty and cute. You can crochet it in no time. And remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Mary for more fun tutorials. So let's begin. For this project we need a yarn of two different colors. You may choose any color of your choice and the hook size is the hook size is 3.5. So let's begin. We start this project by a magic ring. So just watch carefully the beginning of the project. Yes, first we made a magic ring and in magic ring we will do 12 single crochet. I repeat, in magic ring we will do 12 single crochet. So here I begin, chain 1 and 1 single crochet, here second one, third, and like this we will do 12 single crochets in the magic ring. Here is our first piece of 12 single crochet is ready. So what you need is to make one more by following the same pattern. Okay, now we switch our color to yarn white. First we need slip knot. Here we go. Yes, after the slip knot, in the very first stitch we will do one single crochet. Here we go. Yes, now chain 2, 1, 2. Okay, now from this point we will do the treble crochets. So skip to the next stitch, one treble. We are making a treble. This one is one treble. Yarn over twice, insert the hook in the same stitch. Now pull through, pull through and pull through. Here is our second one and the final third one. So basically we are doing 3 trebles in the same stitch. Now again chain 2, go to the next stitch and single crochet. So here is our first petal has been completed and we will repeat this pattern across. So let's begin for the second petal. Again we start with a chain 2 and go to the next stitch. Oops, it's a bit tired. Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, in the next stitch we will do 3 treble crochets. I repeat, in the next stitch we will do 3 treble crochets. So we did 2 trebles, now the third one. Again, yes, pull through 2, pull through 2 and 2. So here are 3 trebles completed. Now chain 2 again, go to the next stitch and make one single crochet. So here is our second pattern. So what we are doing, we are repeating the pattern of one single crochet, 2 chain, go to the next stitch, 3 trebles, again chain 2 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and we'll repeat this pattern across. Okay my girls, we have reached at the end of our flower stage. So what I did is, again I make chain 2 and slip stitch in the very first single crochet that we have made. Now rearrange the petals. Where's my scissor? Oh, okay, now it's time to cut the yarn and weave the ends. Okay, now we move to our next step. So what we will do is, we will sew this little tiny bead in the magic ring. So it's an optional. If you want to add this beads, it's totally okay. If it's totally up to your choice. Alright, now I will tell you that why we have crochet this extra piece. So what we will do with this, we will sew it at the back of the flower, but don't forget to put this hair tie in between these two pieces. Actually this trick will give your hair tie a very neat and clean look. So just sew it with thread and needle nicely. Alright, so here is the final and finished look of the hair tie, and it's so cute and adorable. I love it, and I hope you also love it too. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and remember to follow and subscribe your crochet buddy Mary. So see you in the next video. Bye.